Alright, now I'm going to do one of my favourite balloons, Australian balloon, a Cockatoo. You'll need a 250 white, one of those fatter ones, 350, two 260s, white and grey, and a small 160 yellow, and a little end bit of a 250 for the beak. This one's pretty easy. Check it out. First, grab that, the fat balloon, and twist the top like that. A bubble twist. Then turn it here. Another bubble twist. About that big. Twist it again. Pinch twist. About that much. Same again. And one more pinch twist. And that should start your bird. Now, we're going to do the back feathers and the tail. So we connect these two together and come down. And twist those together like that. It should look something like this. In fact, it should look like this. And come up again to the top. And then one more. So you've got 3 bubbles the same size. And that's the back of the bird. Now, you can break off that bit. Oops. Put over the neighbour's head. All good. So it should look like this. Head, body, back of the bird, and what's left, do the tail. Grab it, twist it in there, and that's the body of the bird with the tail and the feathers. Right, grab, this is the crest, the yellow bit. Do a bubble about that big. These are the feathers on top. 1, do the same again. 2, so they're both the same size. And now with the last bubble, just fold it in like that and halve it. So you've got 2 small and 2 big. Kind of looks like a butterfly. Now connect that to the top. Now grab that beak that we prepared earlier. Stick it on the top like that. And stretch it. Bring it down to there so you've got the beak. And move the feathers to the front. Up the top, so you've got the 2 big ones. Small. I have one of the small at the back just to keep it sturdy. So it looks like that. That's so cool. Alright. There's the front of the bird. Alright, now we're just going to do the feet. Silver or grey in my case. Bubble about so big, followed by a smaller bubble. Then another bubble. That's his first foot. Twist them together. Just do a little bubble there. And pinch twist it. That's 1 foot. I like that. Twist it around now and put it on the bird. It's easier if you connect it. And then just repeat the process for the next foot. Bubble. The leg, another bubble the same size, smaller bubble, another bubble, connect those two together. Just pinch twist the end of them so they stick together. Break off the bit you don't need. Move it all to the front. Put the tail down on like curl it. There you got your cockatoo. Just draw some eyes on him. Go ahead. There you go, one cockatoo. With this, you can use this to do any bird. There you go. Little secret. Ta-da, one finished cockatoo.